Hello, potential buyers. I have a 1954 Ford 8-end tractor for sale, and the tires you can see are in excellent condition. The hours on her are uncertain. However, it comes with a front-end loader and a 3-point hitch. The only thing that was addressed on her was the fact that she has not been started in over 2 years. But all parts are there. This is an excellent project, fixer-upper, and also a great buy if somebody owns a small farm. Please email if interested. We are asking $2,300. Thank you.